What are the cybersecurity risks for supply chain software? Have you ever wondered what keeps the wheels of supply chains turning smoothly? Supply chain software plays a vital role in managing logistics, procurement, inventory, and distribution. However, it also faces several cybersecurity risks that can disrupt operations and compromise sensitive data. Let's break down these risks in a simple way. First, there are third-party vulnerabilities. Supply chain software often connects with various external vendors and components. If these third parties have weak security measures, attackers can exploit their systems to gain access to the supply chain software environment. This is a significant risk because supply chains involve multiple partners, each with different security practices. Next, we have software supply chain attacks. These attacks focus on the software development and deployment processes. For instance, if there are misconfigurations in continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines, attackers can insert harmful code into software updates. This malicious code can spread throughout the supply chain network, causing serious issues. Limited visibility and control is another concern. As supply chains become more complex and global, organizations often lack full insight into their suppliers' cybersecurity practices. This limited oversight makes it challenging to enforce security standards and detect vulnerabilities, increasing the risk of a cyber incident. Ransomware and phishing attacks are also prevalent. Cybercriminals often use phishing campaigns to steal credentials or deliver ransomware. This can lock down supply chain software systems, halting logistics operations, delaying shipments, and leading to financial losses. Furthermore, hardware and firmware risks cannot be overlooked. Supply chains depend on hardware devices like routers and industrial controllers. Attackers can implant malicious code in device firmware, creating persistent threats that are difficult to detect and fix. Lastly, emerging risks from artificial intelligence and open-source components are on the rise. The rapid adoption of these tools in supply chain systems can introduce new vulnerabilities if not properly assessed for security risks before deployment. These cybersecurity risks can lead to operational disruptions, data breaches exposing sensitive shipment or supplier information, financial losses, and damage to reputation. To combat these risks, organizations should implement strong access controls, continuously monitor software components for vulnerabilities, and conduct regular security assessments of suppliers. Enforcing cybersecurity standards across the supply chain and adopting secure software development practices are also essential steps. In essence, the cybersecurity risks for supply chain software stem from the complexity and interconnectedness of modern supply chains, reliance on third parties, and evolving threats targeting both software and hardware components. Addressing these risks is vital to maintaining the integrity, availability, and confidentiality of supply chain systems.